So the leaves haven't fallen yet and it's already snowing. As you can see, there's some snow on the rooftops or on the roofs. Like that house right there has some snow. The truck also has some snow on the roof. And if you can see clearly, our neighbor already started his fireplace. So it's already warm and cozy inside. And we haven't actually started our fireplace yet. It is only October 16. So the leaves have not fallen yet. It's not Halloween yet, but it already snowed.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this channel. And in today's video, I would like to share with you guys 5 ideas or 5 DIYs for this Halloween. The ideas or DIYs are super easy and super fast, plus they're also super pretty, and the materials that you will be needing for these ideas or DIYs are super easy to acquire, to get, or to find them at the store, and most of the materials you might already have them at home. So I really hope that you like these ideas or these DIYs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And now let's go on to the video.
Alright friends, so for the first DIY, we'll need a black crayon, a yellow crayon, a brown one, a black marker, and a brown marker. We'll also need a picture frame and an orange paper that fits inside the picture frame. Right in the center, draw a triangle, then just fill it in, and then with that same marker, draw some cute eyes with eyelashes and a cute mouth to form our pumpkin face. Then just fill it in, and using a brown marker, we'll start making some lines to form the pumpkin's ribs. Then with the brown crayon, just shade them in to give them a little bit of shade, and using the black crayon, we'll shade, or we'll give a little bit of a shade to the eyes, the mouth, and the nose. Then use a yellow crayon to give our pumpkin a little bit of light, and also color inside the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And finally, just put your drawing in your picture frame, and this is how your pumpkin will look. And the cute thing about this idea is that you can come up with different pumpkin faces, for example, a creepy one, a ghost, Frankenstein, or any other Halloween characters you can come up with. The second idea is also super easy, and for this you'll need a black paper with a lot of glitter, and on the back side we'll draw some bats. So for its head and ears, we'll draw a half moon. Exactly underneath to form its body or tail, we'll draw a curved V. And for its wings, we'll draw 3 curves on each side. And we'll continue drawing as many bats as possible, and if it's easier you can use a pencil and then a marker to draw them. Then just cut them off, and then take every single one of your bats, fold them in half. Also fold their wings, and then unfold them so every single one of your bats look like this. On the back side, apply some hot glue and then glue it on to your wall or whatever surface you want to decorate. Idea number 3 is also super easy, so for this you'll need a white napkin folded into a square. Take your lollipop, place it right in the center, and wrap it with your napkin. Then give it a small twist, and with a ribbon with the color of your choice, tie a small bow. Then using a black marker, we'll draw its eyes and its mouth. And finally, just open the napkin from the bottom to form some ruffles, and this is how you have some cute ghosts. So you can decorate all of your lollipops like this for trick-or-treaters and Halloween night. In this channel, there's Halloween lollipop decor videos, so I will be leaving a link in the description and on a tag, so you can also see those ideas. For idea number 4, we'll need an extended white napkin, a second white napkin made into a small ball, place it right in the center, wrap it around, give it a small twist, and then tie a small knot using a ribbon with the color of your choice. Then with a black marker, draw 2 eyes and its mouth. On our ghost's head, make 2 small lines using hot glue and glue on a small piece of napkin, leaving a small space in between the lines without glue. So this way you can insert a ribbon with the color of your choice. In this occasion, I went with black. And this way you can make as many ghosts as you want. Here I have 6, so I have my garland ready. The only thing left to do is to hang your garland wherever you want to decorate. In this occasion, I decorated my bed's headboard. The last idea is the easiest of all of them, and for this we'll need a spider web. In this occasion it's black, so stretch it out, and once it's all stretched out, hang it on your door. Use the corners of your door to hang the spider web from the top and from the bottom. Since there is nothing on the center edges of the door to hold the spider web, we'll be using some wall pins on the back of our door, so this way we can wrap the spider web around them. Since the wall pins go on the back, don't worry about the colors you use. Finally, just add some plastic spiders and use the spider web to tie their legs around and keep them in place. Since my door is white, I used a black spider web, so if your door is a light color, you can use black spider web, and if your door is a dark color, you can use a white spider web.
Alright friends, and this was it for today's video. I really hope that you like these ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the following video. Bye guys!